Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we walk through how to start an LLC in New Jersey. If you are starting your business journey, an LLC can offer great protection and flexibility. So, let's dive right in. First things first, registering an LLC requires 7 steps. Name of LLC, hire a registered agent, file LLC articles of organization, create LLC operating agreement, obtain state EIN for LLC, obtain additional permits and licensing, file an LLC annual report. A registered agent is a person or service that accepts legal documents on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in New Jersey. You can appoint yourself, but many businesses choose a registered agent service for convenience and privacy. To hire an agent, you can visit the Northwest Registered Agent website by the provided link in the description. Once you are on the website, click on Get a Registered Agent. Next, click on the state drop-down, then choose New Jersey State from the list. Then, click on the Hire Northwest button. On the next page, you can see the order details and billing amount. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Now here, in the Company Name field, provide your LLC name. Then, click on the Continue button. After that, you will need to provide your business address information. On the next page, provide your email address and strong password for your account. Here, you can choose other optional items, like a business website, phone number, and email address. Finally, enter your billing information to complete the checkout process. After the checkout process, the Northwest agent will contact you and help you to register an LLC. Moreover, for further information, you can contact via the provided phone number on the website. And there you have it! By following these steps, you can start an LLC in New Jersey. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.